welcome back to another entrepreneur video. So if you guys have not seen any of my videos before, I sell all natural handmade hair care products. I will leave the link below to my website, but today I'm going to be packing an order, and this is going to be the beginning of another vlog that's probably going to be over the span of a few days. So this customer, she ordered 2 leave-in conditioners. So this is what they look like. So our hydrating leave-in conditioners, I need to fix this label, but our hydrating leave-in conditioners are great for people with curly to kinky curly hair, and it's good for defining and hydrating your curls, and also softening your curls. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna package this, and I'm just gonna have you guys watch. Okay, so after I got off the camera and packed that order, I posted to my story talking about how this is on sale for $7. And then someone ended up purchasing one of those butters. She purchased the shampoo and I believe the leave-in. I'll post a screenshot of her order on the screen. So I'm about to pack that right now. So yeah, so since her order is a little bigger, I'm gonna put it in here. So I hope I have the labels for my butters because I feel like I ran out, but I'm gonna double check, hopefully, because if not, I won't be able to ship her order tomorrow. I'll have to go to Staples to get a label. Okay, so I do have labels. These do say 2 ounces on them, but I'm just gonna draw over it and put 4 because again, I'm discontinuing the 4 ounces and I don't want to spend money on labels just for me to not use them, because I only have like in total 7 more that I need to sell before I will have fully gotten rid of all the 4 ounce bottles. And if you hear like noise in the background, I'm cooking and I have water boiling, so that's the noise if you hear that on the camera. Okay, I actually found the 4 ounce ones. They're here. So I'm gonna put that label on top of the butter. Okay guys, so don't mind this shirt. I think I got water on it. But anyway, so today is April 3rd and I am gonna be making a small batch of shampoo. I think I'm gonna do like 5 shampoos, 5 to 7. And yeah, so I only have like 4 left. And so I wanna just make sure I have like at least 10 on hand. Just because I don't want to run out, and who knows, if I sell out of those, I'll make more, but I just want to have a decent amount on hand. I'm just going to set up this table, and then I'm going to start making the shampoo. All right, so I just left Walmart and I had to get distilled water because I was making my shampoo, and then I realized I don't have water, and water is one of my ingredients. So I was like, all right, need to get water. So I just did that, and I wish I set up the camera to show you guys how I literally had to like scale the shelves because they put the distilled water all the way at the top and it was all the way in the back. So I couldn't reach it. So I literally had to get like this case of water, climb up and reach. And the way that I was just doing it, like I've been here before, like I was like, wow, I wish I had the camera to show you guys how I did that. And then also it just felt, I felt like accomplished, but I was like, you know what, it's funny because if there was a man present, I would have been like, sir, can you get that for me? Because the way that I will like literally become Catwoman, Wonder Woman on my own, but if there's a man present, like I'm not lifting a finger. I don't know. That's just how I am. Okay guys, so it's a couple days later, and I am just going to fill up my shampoo bottles. So everything's in here. I pH balanced it and everything's good to go. So I'm just gonna put on my gloves. And so that shampoo's in there, and I'm just gonna get my bottles. So I think that this should be about 5. So I'll put them here. It might be 7, but I think it's 5. And I just want to double check the pH, just because sometimes when things sit, it can change. So, okay guys, so it is several days later. And basically the shampoo has been done for about a week. I put the preservative in, the essential oils, I pH balanced it. However, I did run out of pH strips last Sunday, so I had to order some on Amazon, and they just came in today. And I wanted to lower the pH just a tad bit because at the time that I balanced it last week, it was at a 6, and I like to have it at a 5.5 a little bit. So this is around between, I want to say 4 and 5, which I'm comfortable with. But I am going to eventually buy the digital one because I won't have to keep buying pH strips. And the digital one, I think you just need to replace the battery, and over time that will save me more money. So I have the shampoo in this beaker and then some more in this bowl. Honestly, I think this batch is only going to get me about 5 shampoos. So I'm just going to pour it in. Hopefully I just want to show you guys, but I'm going to try for this to not spill any, but it is a little dark. Okay, this is not working. I'm going to pour it over the table and then I'll show you guys.